Okay, hi everybody. Now this week we have World War II. We're looking at the topic here is right the 1940s and World War II. I did a live session the other night, last night. I've got the address posted above up there, so you can go in and click on that. I've really kind of covered the most of what's important in there. So as far as World War II goes, I think for this week when you look at it, right, we've got your immigration project that you've got to work on, right? We got that. But as far as the writing assignment, you've got to write the letter to the president, right? And I mentioned last night, but I just want to reemphasize in that you're looking at giving him some thoughts on dropping a second atomic bomb. Okay, I don't know if I made that real clear in the live lecture. So take a peek and see, if you were going to advise the president, right? What would be your thinking, your rationale once the first bomb has been dropped? Now what do we do? Okay, because dropping one, that's the way to think. But once you see the destruction, you see everything. Okay, now how do we handle the other? Then in the discussion, what I think is very important is we're looking at experiences and personal experiences and this notion, excuse me, of why would people join? What are the considerations? And again, I mentioned it in the live lecture last night, but I just want to reiterate that notion that we live in different times. Right, so we've got to think in terms of kind of compartmentalize your thinking. What do people think about? What were people thinking about in 1940 and everything that just happened versus today? Okay, so again, as far as World War II goes, I think most of us are fairly familiar. The book offers some things on that, but we don't spend a ton of time on the battles and so what we're after. What we're really looking for is the effects of the war, because then in week 7 we're going to get into the Cold War. Then the following week we're going to get into social change. So we're kind of moving through quickly. So what the focus of World War II, and you're thinking about World War II, should be how did World War II kind of shape American thinking? How did it alter American thinking? And then how did it kind of drive American thinking from that point forward? Okay, because coming out of World War II, we go right into the Cold War, which is a whole different way of thinking, and we'll see that it's the effects and the what went on World War II that caused that to happen. Okay, and as always, never hesitate to contact me if I can help you. Alrighty, bye now.